The second thing, not setting limit. Not setting limit is another thing that destroys relationship. Not setting limit, because that's your colleague in the office. You should know the relationship between the colleague and you is a working relationship. We should not bring in your family. You should not make in your confidant, except it is proven, she is proven otherwise, or it's proven otherwise. There must be limitation. Set a limit in every relationship. You know the one you can tell everything. You know the one you can tell some things. You know the one where we should set boundary in our relationship. It's not everybody that should know everything about you, what is happening inside your room, what is happening. There are certain people, when they come, they should stay in the compound. There are certain people, when they come, they should stay in the veranda, the corridor. There are certain people that will stay in the living area, the parlor. There are certain people that you bring inside your room. You say, sit on my bed and let's talk. There are a limitation. But the problem we have, we will bring everybody inside. And when you have scattered yourself, and when they show themselves, oh, you want to cry, why are you crying? You created that. We should know when and how to talk and who to talk to. That's what we should know about. Who do we talk to? Matters a whole lot. Even when the wine finished, wants to use the relationship as a mother and son. He said, hey, the wine is finished for him to create miracle so that they will have wine for the wedding. Remember, Jesus said, he said, oh, woman, my time has not yet come. There was boundaries. The woman said, okay, he did not persuade him again. It's all in the Bible say, anything say you should do, you guys should do. I can't persuade him. She knows that there is a limit in the relationship. You cannot expel yourself from that relationship that you don't know the root of the problem. Know the root. Remove entitlement. Create that limit. Create limit. Am I in confidential with this person? Am I mutual in this person? What kind of relationship is this person? No, create the limits. Is it a casual? Are they supposed to know my marital issue? Is it mutual? But we don't make casual as mutual and make mutual as intimate. That is our problem. That is why we always come back disappointed. We always come back crying, traumatized, and disturbed. I pray that God will give us understanding. We have to open our eyes. We've talked about all the kind of relationship, what is happening in relationship, all the abuses. You see, all of these abuses that people are going through is because we lack all of those things. Now we are coming to build a godly home. So that's why we are looking about all of these kinds of relationship. What is relationship? What are we looking the errors that people are doing in the relationship?